This one's just gonna dump. Seriously gonna dump right now. The target is at this 4 hour gap here, which is also an Asia low. I'm just gonna dump. I just know it. This is my paper. This is my actual trade of it. It's not we're gonna dump right now. I badly wanna hop in. It's my demo by the way. This thing's just gonna dump. I just know it. This thing's gonna dump. I'm not gonna look for longs unless we already hit the data loads. What a fill. What a fill. Just put the stop for now. They're over there right now. Just gonna protect the high. I like this low to get taken out. You can get the lows. All of these lows get taken out. Align within 4 hours until 4 hour and yes. It's pretty clear that London actually I was pretty bullish on the day. I'm still am bullish. But I'm only gonna validate that bias if we're gonna take all of these lows first. So you go until 4 hour on NQ. Yes, it's a lot closer there, right? The fill was nasty. Uh-huh. It's a demo by the way. This is supposed to actually count. So actually look here, maybe there's a 30 second you can take. No, I really don't like any longs. If you're gonna take longs, you could have took it from here, target the data 930 wick. You could have entered there. TP in the 930 wick. Yeah, the TP hit if you did enter there. Yep. I don't want to end it too early, but if you found this entry here on this 933 candle, take a quick scalp, target that high, take a stop from this low. If you want just a BU place, because these are just LRs, so I'll be serious here. These are LRs right here. I mean, until 15 minutes, if you enter maybe high, you can just break even at 930 with. Should be good, honestly. Since we failed to go lower, it's either we take a 15 minute intermediate high or just ramp through all of this. Depends on the 5 minute close. Actually, 5 minute close is pretty good though. I'm not gonna lie. Because I think this one was the best entry, but I'm not really a fan of entering so early. Unless like the price is so clear. If I was in this trade, it would be in break even. So just watch in here. That 930 wick had an SMG. No. It's just NK was a lot higher. I like the 5 minute inverse, but there's still a first percentage, so let's see how we react from this actual 5 minute. But I feel like we're just gonna just run through that. Let's see if we can get like a continuation long. Uh, it's gonna close 938. So if you can have continuation long here, I will like this long right here. 50 minutes intermediate high. But if you reject from this 5 minute and 15 minute order block, like validate it. 2 minute inverse to the downside would be a sign of rejection, which means that this is gonna be like a 2 minute here or something. Alright guys, so we're currently trying to look for shorts now. Thinking about shorting this. Because we'll look at ES. ES is rejecting from this 5 minute after an FBDS and C. What I just don't like about ES, there's no inverse, so you can like kind of see if there's like correlation for inversion. Neither an either time for inversion, but like I'm gonna just wait for now. But I do really like this short. Like I will short it on this account. 50, 25 units. All right, let's try to short here. All right, 101 here. He's a 101. Actually, the field was pretty bad. All right, it's fine. I like shorts, but let me click off. Better like a high time under 5 minute. I make like a 5 minute rejection, 3 minute. Do we have like a 2 minute to be on this close? We have, but I think it was the perfect entry, honestly. Well, in this trade, I'm ready to break even. And then probably just putting my, probably gonna risk less 14 here, 15. But probably like this, like that. All right, this one is 2 minutes. 2 minutes at two set 4794. Get that one. There we go. We get a retrace on that. I think this will just be TP right now. I think this will be TP right now. Just trail stalker. So 2 minute retrace. That was a TP right there, boys. TP, boys. TP, TP. The ball limit is not working. Hello. There you go. Yeah, those are the shorts right there. Yeah, it was. This was a perfect entry if I did. Insane. Just waited for something better, but it was actually pretty good enough. Not gonna lie. I was just looking for something a little bit more clear than that type of entry, but that's that right there. Failed on this initial long with the shorts. Had more conviction actually on the longs, but didn't go. Just showed that shorts are even more validated. Let's see if we can get longs from here. So boys, if we inverse this, I'm taking this short right now. He is ready to go lows, but we can still go lower since they are all like until the hourly here. I mean, technically, this one's kind of surely going to be up until 15 minutes. So there's like draws lower still. But the reasoning is this NQ still has this 4 hour gap, and we just try to suit that 5 minutes. So let's see if we can get an entry here. What happened? Oh, wait. I have two trading views open. All right, let's go limit here. Limit order. If we can get filled. I would have marketed that if I had a 5 minute rejected beautifully. I would market if this just bust like literally on yes. It's gonna be like TP here. Oh, you're seriously not gonna retrace for me, buddy? Oh my god. It's because we had a little issue. We weren't able to go market. But I like this limit more. Oh man. So you're gonna get free trade here. 3 minute. Yeah, it's a 3 minute order block, 2 minute inverse. I mean, no, wait, 2 minute here. Insane. If I was here, I would have actually a different stop. Probably like this. But I have a conviction we might want to retrace here. Perfect inversion, yes. See if we can have a retrace. Let's just see if we can have a retrace. I would like that. Uh-huh. If we're gonna open like a 2 minute here, pretty soon. I think by 9:56 we shall open a 2 minute. And there's like a 15 minute intermediate low until 15 minute over here. Then we like 1 6 in order to go keep going lower. So like I'll previously lower already taken off. I wasn't able to market it. If I marketed this, it would probably be my entry, boys. Keep you right about here. That's insane. Uh, I mean, at least for like 2 for 2 in the day, but no entries, bro. That's a TP right there. That's that. I mean, 2 for 2. The boys, if we can get this 3 minute with like a decent RR, I would definitely take it. Towards this 5 minutes from high. If you can have a good entry in the 3 minute, it'd be nice. Bro, perfect long, perfect shorts, bro. Gave us two shorts, gave us, this one's like a B plus, A minus short. This one is an S plus short, bro. You have to take it. 2 minute is not inverse yet, so I'm waiting for the 3 minute for a fullback here in this gap. You can have a fullback in this gap, that would be nice. I would love that. I would love a fullback in this gap. Can we get a nice fullback in this gap, please? Nice fullback. What was it a pullback? Let me just limit here. 3 minute would surely inverse. There's no 5 minute. That's the 5 minutes gonna be up there. It's gonna limit order here. See if we can get filled. 2 minute, I think inverse. I'll just manually enter here if ever this next candle is just like so close. Can we get an entry on the 3 minute, please? I know you want it Nasdaq. I know you want it Nasdaq. I'll take out of this 5 minutes and get high. That's we might take it on ES. No entries. I mean, you can just like wick lower, bro. Something along these lines. 2 minute inverse. Uh, I'll wait for like a 2 minute retrace. If we can't get this 3 minute, I'll wait for 2 minute retrace, then like a 30-second continuation from that. By the way, the 10 a.m. open here. So I want us to manipulate here on this 10 a.m. candle. That would be perfect. This one's like a 3 minute inversion gap here. See if we can get like a 2 minute sweep, which is on this 2.712 low, which is I think, which is somewhere around here, like right here. See if we can get like a 30-second continuation. Like there's a 30-second continuation. I would manual enter. See if we can get like a 3 minute fill here. I'm so convicted in the long right now. Equal highs though. They like that. So equal highs. I'll wait for continuation. Equal highs. It will become a 3 minute DPR. 2 minutes just got filled. If you can get the 30-second inversion like right here, I'll manually enter inverse this right now in the next 20 seconds. If I inverse that the next 20 seconds, I would enter. Seriously, enter. Or I think we're rejecting that. Enter. Oh, we failed. Can we take a 3 minute now? We might want to go lower here. Let's see. If we can get a tap here on this 3 minute, then like a 15-second inversion of it, I'll take it. This one's like a continuation. I mean, like a confirmation after this low. Since if we look at ES, ES made equal lows, which is stronger jaw, in my opinion. 3 minutes have been taken now, so what we're waiting right now is just continuation from this point on. I'm just waiting for a 15-second inversion. So I'll be honest. I like longs here. Just remove my limit because I want to see if it actually reject from this BPR now. Give me a BPR. This will be my stop loss if ever. 30 seconds. Oh, we have a 15. How about 30 seconds? It's 11 seconds. I will enter here. 30 seconds failed though. Can we get one more? 3 minute already failed, so I just want like one more. Like a higher close here. I just know we should pump. Ah, don't like the close. Don't like the close. But we're already up at 10 a.m. It's just CISDs. So it'll be like a quick 1-on-1. Oh boy, I think it's gonna be the last opportunity on the day. It's pretty choppy right now. If we can get this sweep inverse, I'm going in. We're gonna have that. I'm hopping in. Give me an inversion after taking this 5 minute. Until 5 minute, also a 3 minute BPR, also a 2 minute intermediate low, 3 minute intermediate low. I know you want it, Nasdaq. Give it to me. We missed the two shorts. This one, I would say it's not really something I would take, but I was convicted enough to forward test for it. If I would take it in live, I would go for a limit order. This one right here, I don't really want to go limit order, but just saw, by the time I was about to market short this, it bugged and I wasn't able to hop in. And yeah, I was probably able to take this because I was just looking for the amount if I could get. And yeah, basically it's like a 4 hour low, also like an hourly order block. But yeah, See if we can get some reversal from this. Yeah, the shorts I was thinking about is this initial short here. Like limit order literally here. Kind of like bottom ticked it. I mean top ticked it. Targeted this low. It's gonna be a continuation short. I think I didn't go for limit order here since we already did so much. I don't really want to go limit on something like that. See if we can get a long here after taking this 5 minute. See if we can still. So this 5 minute was pretty much inverse though. I'm not lying. Let's wait on this 3 minute retrace if we're just like so bearish to the point that we won't care about it. The 3 minute would open in a few seconds. So it seems like we're looking for shorts now. I'll say I'm about to black out pretty soon. It's looking pretty unclear. If we could just have like a sharp move with just 3 minutes and go lower, I'm willing to take this short or this lower here for 1.84 RR. If we can have that sharp move on this 3 minute, then 5 minute would really close as an inverse. That would be nice. Because if not, I'll just wait for this. This will also be and until 5 minutes. Not become like a 5 minute BPR, so I mean actually when this opens. So yeah, this one now becomes a BPR, like a 5 minute BPR. Um I don't know what was that candle. If there's a continuation here, I'm willing to take it. I'll be serious. 30 seconds, we'll be down here. Pretty convicted with my shorts now. Give me a clear short setup. I'll take it. It's one a 5 minute BPR. I just have strong conviction that this is hold. BPRs rarely let me down. So invest in this candle. You also invest for me. Not inversing, bro. It's not inversing. But it's a 5 minute BPR. So I just wait for proper continue confirmation. I just know we should respect that. Just wait for the next 30 seconds to open. I mean to close. Alright. I just wait for the CIS at this point. No, it's not clear. Just close bearish for me. I'll start you. Alright, it's close bearish. Right, close bearish for me, so I will enter on you. Stop loss would be at 25685. Are you serious? You're that close to take my limit? Can you retrace? Just fill me in. I like this. Because it's also 1 minute gap. Bro, the entry, come on. I was this close to getting filled. 1 minute is looking like it's gonna retrace. Guys, if this is gonna be another unfilled trade, I mean 343, but no trade, bro. No trade. Yeah, that's no trade again. Insane. Uh, the issue was this 30-second close. I was looking for stronger close. Should have just market it. Didn't care much about it. Because I think the close here was fairly the same. It's like the entry was like right here, bro. It's a really, really tight stop. But I did that. I'm done today. Getting got filled. It's gonna be all for today, guys. Peace.